How to activate Steam account on G2A. Now in this video, I'm going to show you ways for you to be able to activate your Steam account that you purchase on G2A. So first is make sure that the purchase was successful by going into your G2A account and then tapping into the order history. Now that's going to be depending on what specific platform you purchase. So I have here a general instruction for Steam account activation that you purchase on G2A. So first is once the sale or the purchase was successful, you will always receive a confirmation on the email address that you use. So you simply open up the activation link that you receive from the seller. It will lead you to the page that will look something like this. Now in here, it's going to be optional if you would like to input your email address and then activate the account depending on what specific country you use. You will also get your account details to the email address you provided before, and then from here you can log in into your new account using the provided login and password. From there, you should be able to activate it, and you will have a choice to whether change the account email and the password. And that is how you activate Steam account on G2A.